We are pleased to show you the 2024 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires, front all-terrain, convertible soft top, tires, rear all-terrain, fog lamps, front license plate bracket. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.